Almost ready, Pip. The aroma is exquisite.
It smells wonderful, Professor.
This is for the famous golden ticket.
The golden ticket! Wow!
The secret recipe must be protected. Safe and sound. Good night, my sweet factory.
See you tomorrow, chocolates!
Empty. Good. Piece of cake. Almost there. Time for some delicate work. Got it! A new day for deliciousness!
I can't wait to help!
That's odd. I'm sure I closed it.
What's wrong, Professor?
The safe!
It's open!
Oh no. It's gone. The golden ticket recipe.
What will we do, Professor?
We must call for help.
I need to report a theft immediately!
The golden ticket recipe, you say? Professor Crumble, I'm Detective Bricksworth.
Thank goodness you're here!
No forced entry. A professional. A clue. A clue. Did either of you wear anything green yesterday?
No, sir. Just our aprons.
I'll investigate this further.
Please, hurry, Detective!
What secrets do you hold? This texture. I know where it's from. To stitch and thread. Just as I suspected.
Hello? Hello? Anyone here? Anyone here?
Barnaby Black, I'm coming for you. Got him. Bingo! Mine. All mine. Golden cocoa beans.
Target acquired. Repeat, target acquired.
Blast! The fuzz! Stop! You won't get away! Too slow, Copper. More evidence. Catch me if you can. Freedom! Clever, but not clever enough. How did you? The chase is over, Barnaby. The recipe is recovered. It's over, Barnaby.
Do you think the detective found it?
I hope so, Pip. I truly hope so. Professor, I believe this belongs to you! The recipe! You found it! My precious recipe. Thank you, Detective. Now, to make that golden ticket! Hooray! Hooray! Precision is key, Pip!
I'm making sure they sparkle, Professor.
The golden ticket is complete!
It's beautiful!
A mystery solved and a sweet success.